Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, September the 7th, 2021. I've already solved three puzzles. There are two left, Killer Sudoku and a Tectonic with 4 stars. Only 5 out of 9 I will solve. And this one will be number 3359. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes here. I see triple box and dual boxes and quadra boxes. No single box. Alright, the dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a dual box, but I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 1 and 2. The triple box we have here, and remember the triple box, the inside box is always the 4 or the 5. Well, we have a 4 in this area, so it cannot be a 4. It should be a 5. All right. More triple boxes. No, I see here a quadra box. The quadra box. Remember, if you see the quadra box in an L shape, this is upside down, the L shape. The inside box is always a 5. Alright. More quadra boxes? No. Here, quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shape. For example, the L shape. The L shape. Let me draw this. The L shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Yes. Huh. Oh. Apologies. I bumped the camera. Alright. So this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more L shape? Here, another L shape. So this box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. This kind of shape. Yes. Alright. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And here another, the same shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of this. Oh, I overlook this L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yes, it's connected here. Okay. This box is also connected. And this box is also connected. This box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. I believe those are the shapes in this puzzle that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy to fill the numbers. Only 3 in this puzzle, but there are more of these kind of shapes that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle, we have 3 of them. So the next step or strategy is it's time now for filling the numbers. All right. So this box is connected with that box is connected with this box, and this box is connected with that box, and this box is connected with this box. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, and it cannot be a 2. So cannot be a 1 on a 2. So one digit left should be the 3. Cannot be a 1 or a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yeah. Should be a 3. Alright. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. And this box is connected with this box, it should be a 3. And that box is connected with this box, should be a 3. And this box should be connected with that box, should be a 3. Alright. Then. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 in this triple box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Well, it cannot be a 3 because this box is connected with that box and we have a 3 here. So it should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those, 2 and 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because this box is connected with that box. So if I fill a 3 here, this box should be also a 3, but we have a 3 here. So it's not a solution to place the 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5 because we have a double 5 here. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. One box left in this area for number 5. Alright. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this L shape for the number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, correct. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So two boxes left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also a 4. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. One box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 5 and 1. Let me mark those two boxes. Oh! We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Alright, so now these two boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and 5. Alright, alright. Two boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. Alright. Alright, let me go up. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be here. These two boxes can be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. One box left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 1. It can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. 2 and a 3. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. It should be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. Alright, so this box is a 4, and that box will be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box will be a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I'm missing the 3. Alright. Let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 3. I've marked those two boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finished in 70 minutes. Alright, great. Tectonic, and I like this one. Is this really 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more. Is this a 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 70 minutes. So it's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today in this additional a killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku mix. See you then. Bye bye for now.